If you're not already a billionaire, you may be curious about how to boost your income and wealth to become one of the wealthy. To reach your objectives, you can even feel pressured to take part in a get-rich-quick scheme. Hold on a second though. Despite the promise of fast money, get-rich-quick schemes sometimes contribute to, rather than alleviate, financial issues. Being aware of these frauds can help you stay away from them and prevent fraudsters from defrauding you. A get-rich-quick scheme. What is it? Any plan or approach that claims to deposit significant sums of money into your bank account with little to no investment is generally considered a get-rich-quick scam. Since these endeavors frequently fall short of their promises, the phrase get-rich-quick has a less than ideal connotation. It's not unusual to see rich, fast schemes marketed or sold with rhetoric intended to attract customers. A social media influencer may, for instance, offer to assist you in making money while you sleep, or making money instantly without paying anything. Wording like that is frequently a warning indication and could indicate that a strategy to make quick money is a thinly veiled scam. Get-rich-quick scammers can also adopt a more subdued strategy and make claims that, when accepted at face value, appear genuine. This is especially true of student loan forgiveness scams that promise to pay off your student loan debt. In exchange for a fee, you'll see more instances of these scams in a moment. How are get-rich-quick plans operational? The way get-rich-quick schemes operate is by luring individuals in with a financial incentive of some kind. Potential victims can be promised that if they simply pay a fee or make an initial commitment, they will be able to swiftly make a sizable sum of money, or they will be informed that they can pay a lot less than what they currently owe to have their debts forgiven. In other situations, a get-rich-quick scheme is a significant financial fraud that aims to defraud individuals of their hard-earned money by offering them a service or product that will ostensibly increase their income. The goal of this kind of strategy is to persuade people to buy something so that the person selling it can profit from it. In other words, you are not likely to gain money. Returning to the example of social media influencers, an influencer may endorse a book or a course that offers a proven method of earning money online. They promise that their followers will be able to increase their income and become wealthy if they purchase the book or course. The influencer is probably getting compensated for that marketing, but their followers might not be aware of this. Are get-rich-quick plans prohibited? Although there are several laws that aim to shield customers against con artists, get-rich-quick schemes are not prohibited in and of themselves. As previously stated, influencers must reveal any connections they may have with the companies they endorse. The purpose of the Truth in Advertising Act is to stop businesses and people from making deceptive or inaccurate statements about goods and services. Additionally, where appropriate, advertisers must be able to provide scientific proof to support their claims. A get-rich-quick scheme's legality or illegality can be determined in great part by its components. One such example is multi-level marketing, LM, and MLM. What is it? Simply said, it's a business model where individuals sell goods or services to friends and relatives to receive commissions. Two well-known instances of legitimate multi-level marketing campaigns are Mary Kay and Avon. Pyramid scams are illegal, but multi-level marketing is not. The distinction between an MLM and what is known as a pyramid scheme is that the former relies entirely on recruiting new members to generate revenue. By charging a new participant an entry or registration fee, or even an initial product bundle of some kind, the individual who recruited them makes money. You can earn more money the higher you are in the pyramid. Get-rich-quick scheme examples. There are many types of get-rich-quick schemes, and it's not always easy to spot them for what they are. Among the most prevalent instances of both legal and illicit get-rich-quick scams are pyramid schemes masquerading as multi-level marketing, MLM, workathon frauds that guarantee you'll make a lot of money, scams involving investments that promise large returns for relatively little capital, online business scams and side gigs, scams involving debt relief and credit repair, lottery frauds, scams using fake job listings, fraud involving government assistance or student loan forgiveness, scams involving home renovation, scams using mystery shopping scams involving giveaways or free prizes. Of course, there is also the timeless Nigerian prince plot. In exchange for a payment into your bank account, this scam and its other variants promise you a sizable inheritance, a finder's fee, or other incentives. Scammers who pose as royalty propose that you return a portion of the deposit to them and keep the remainder, possibly in the hopes that this will impress their target and make them seem genuine. Are get-rich-quick plans trustworthy? Many promises can be made by a get-rich-quick program, but they usually don't live up to expectations. You can typically rely on losing money if you participate in a get-rich-quick scheme. That's because these techniques are made to work that way. When you observe the extravagant lifestyles that influencers lead on social media, it's tempting to fall for their scheme since it sounds good to get money for nothing. However, there is a big difference between the rich and the wealthy, and once more, there is no assurance that any method to get rich quickly would provide the desired outcomes. You might only receive a little return on investment even if you don't lose money outright. Alternatively, results may take a lot longer to manifest. Let's take an example where you want to quit your full-time job and become a blogger. Numerous blogs offer a well-liked writing course, with some claiming to earn 6 figures annually. You purchase the course with the expectation that, for just $497, you would soon be able to earn $10,000 or more a month from home. Except you don't receive results right away after finishing the course. In actuality, it takes you almost 3 years to grow your company to the point where you are generating consistent revenue. You may become wealthy in the future, but it won't happen quickly. Get rich. Quick schemes are troublesome because of this. Despite the fact that it usually takes years to increase one's income and net worth, they rely on consumers searching for a quick fix. How to identify a get-rich-quick plan. Some fraudsters can be so persuasive and look so earnest that it can be difficult to spot a get-rich-quick hoax. Furthermore, plans for rapid riches can occasionally be founded on respectable methods of earning or investing money. Here are some ways to recognize a scam in action if you're concerned about falling for a get-rich-quick scam. Payment in advance. An upfront payment request is frequently a dead giveaway that a scam is taking place. The Nigerian prince fraud is a prime example of an email phishing scam. This category also includes a few prevalent credit card scams. As long as you pay their charge beforehand, these scammers promise to rapidly eliminate credit card debt or improve your credit ratings overnight. False claims and deceptive headlines. Clickbait headlines are a common tactic used by scammers to attract victims. To entice you to click and check out their goods or services, they may make extravagant or completely untrue claims. Until you fall for the scam, you might not recognize how false those statements are. Information and secret tips. Scammers may also try to attract your interest by claiming to have insider knowledge that they are ready to provide you in exchange for your wealth. Naturally, you won't have access to those insider recommendations until after you've made a purchase or given them a fee. When it comes to investing, it's especially crucial to be cautious of those so-called secrets because insider trading is prohibited. A 100% success rate is promised. Additionally, scammers may employ wording that implies success is assured or that every customer who has ever utilized their product or service has had success. That can be considered deceptive advertising, which is against the Truth in Advertising Act. Get-rich-quick schemes rarely deliver on their promises and often cause more harm than good. Stay vigilant, protect your finances, and remember, wealth comes from consistent effort, not shortcuts. Like, subscribe and share your thoughts below.